Okay, let's tackle a huge question. Should you retire at 62 or 65? Let's look.
A surprising number of people are missing a big chunk of their retirement income.
So what does this income gap actually look like? Let's make it real.
Okay, here's a plan for retiring at 62. It brings in about $3,300 a month.
But what if you need, say, $4,500 a month to live comfortably? See the problem?
That leaves a gap of over $1,100 every single month. That's a lot.
So the big question is, how in the world do you close a gap like that?
Well, one powerful solution to look at is something called an index strategy.
It's built for growth, but also helps protect you from those nasty market downturns.
So let's say you put away an extra $600 a month for around 10 years.
At 62, that new income stream cuts your shortfall almost in half. Pretty good, right?
But hold on. What if you just wait a few more years? This is where it gets exciting.
By age 65, everything gets a boost. Your Social Security, your pension, everything grows.
Check this out. Your monthly income could jump from around $3,850 to over $4,800.
Let's look at the numbers. See that? Every single one of your income sources went up.
And just like that, the gap is gone. You might even have a little extra.
So what's the lesson here? It all starts with two simple steps. First, know your numbers.
Because it's not just about saving more, it's about the right strategy at the right time. So, are you ready to get a clear picture of your numbers and plan your retirement?